ہے سب سے پہلے. پہلا کوشچن ہے ٹیم 7 سے عبد الواسع سے. When did World War I started and ended?
1914 to 1918.
Correct answer. بیٹا تالیاں ہو جائیں کریکٹ آنسر پہ. کوشچن نمبر 2. Second generation of computer depends upon.
Transistors.
Correct answer, transistors. Question number 3. What is the shortcut key to zoom in through keyboard?
Control plus sign.
Correct answer, control plus sign. Number 4. What is the abbreviation of DNA? What is the abbreviation of DNA? Full form of DNA.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid. Correct answer, talia. Number 5. What are the parts of brain?
Cerebellum, medulla oblongata.
Correct answer, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Number 6. A person who knows many languages is known as
Polyglot.
polyglot. Correct answer. قرآن کی پہلی طویل سورت کا نام سورہ بقرہ ہے. دوسری طویل سورت کا نام بتائیے.
Surah Al-Imran.
صحیح جواب سورہ آل عمران. سوال نمبر 8. قرآن کی ان 3 سورتوں کے نام بتائیے جن کے نام 2 حروف تاجی پر مشتمل ہیں.
Surah Al-Imran, Surah Tek, Surah Jinn. Surah Al-Imran, Surah Tek, Surah Jinn.
صحیح جواب. اگلا سوال ہے کس جنگ میں بڑی تعداد میں حافظ قرآن شہید ہوئے؟
Jang Yamama.
جنگ یمامہ. صحیح جواب. What is the spelling of the word occurrence?
ACQUIRANC.
غلط جواب. ACCI. Next, what is the spelling of the word fascinating?
FACINATIN.
غلط جواب. FASCIN. Next question. What is another name for the mighty PK2?
Godwin Austen.
Godwin Austen. Correct answer. Number 13. What is the opposite of the word coward?
Brave.
Brave. Correct answer.
Which triangle has all the 3 angles less than 90 degrees?
180 degree.
Correct jawab. Acute triangle. Which is the largest river of the world?
River Nile.
Correct jawab. Amazon, South America. Which city is considered as one of the most ancient city of the world? Which city is considered as one of the most ancient city of the world?
Syria.
Sahi jawab. What is Cuban? What is Cuban? Caution.
A program with a division.
Sorry.
A number with a
The answer to a division problem. Who launched the KG system?
aerobic.
Correct answer. बाबर कुरान की सूरत को कहा जाता है?
Surah Fatiha.
Correct answer. कुरान पाक में कुल कितने सजदे हैं?
14.
सही जवाब. कुरान में ज़कात का जिक्र कितनी मर्तबा किया गया है?
32.
सही आंसर. What is the spelling of the word embezzlement?
EMBAZZLEMENT.
सही जवाब. A person who believes on whatever is told is known as. A person who believes on whatever is told is known as. सही जवाब. What is the outermost layer of animal cell is called?
Cell membrane.
सही जवाब. What is Which is the largest canal of Pakistan?
Pakistan.
नागा कैनाल
सही जवाब.
फर्स्ट आंसर
गलत कंसीडर किया जाएगा.
सर
गलत जवाब. Which triangle has all the three angles less than 90 degrees?